Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my easy cheeseburger sliders that are kid-friendly and perfect for lunch boxes. Let's get started. First, I'm cooking up some ground beef with half an onion. Let it saute until the beef is browned. Then I'm adding a little salt, black pepper, and garlic powder for flavor. Once that's done, I drain off the extra fats and place it back on the stove. Now I'm stirring in about 2 tablespoons of ketchup and a small teaspoon of mustard. This gives the beef a delicious tangy flavor and helps it hold together when we add it to the sliders. Next, I'm using these soft rolls I picked up from my local grocery store. Slice them in half and gently scoop out a little bit of the inside bread. This makes room for the filling. Add a layer of American cheese, spread the ground beef mixture evenly on top, and finish with another layer of cheese. The cheese really helps hold everything together. Transfer your sliders to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and foil. Brush the tops with melted butter for that golden crisp finish, and sprinkle on some everything bagel seasoning for extra flavor. Cover and bake at 350 for 15 minutes, then uncover and bake for another 5 to 6 minutes until perfectly melted and toasty. And here they are, warm, cheesy, and so cozy. I love serving these with pickles, lettuce, tomato, onion, and of course French fries. They're also the perfect size to pack into a school lunchbox. Kids absolutely love them. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.